Welcome to our comprehensive guide to the dash stand mixer. If you're looking to up your cooking and baking game, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll explore everything you need to know about using the dash stand mixer to master your kitchen. From its features to its benefits, we'll cover it all. So, let's get started. Are you tired of using your old, clunky hand mixer to make your favorite recipes? Do you want to take your baking and cooking to the next level? If so, it's time to invest in a dash stand mixer. This powerful kitchen tool can make a huge difference in the quality and consistency of your baked goods, sauces, and more. In this video, we'll explore the many benefits of the dash stand mixer, as well as how to use it effectively to get the most out of it in your kitchen. First, let's take a look at the features of the dash stand mixer. This powerful kitchen tool comes with a variety of attachments, including a whisk, dough hook, and beater, to help you tackle any recipe. Its powerful motor can handle even the thickest doughs and batters, and its large mixing bowl can hold up to 3.5 quarts of ingredients. Additionally, the dash stand mixer comes in a variety of colors to match any kitchen decor. Now that we've covered the features of the dash stand mixer, let's talk about the benefits. One of the biggest benefits of the dash stand mixer is its ability to save you time and effort in the kitchen. Instead of spending hours mixing dough or whipping cream by hand, the dash stand mixer can do it for you in just minutes. This means you'll have more time to focus on other aspects of your recipe or to simply relax. Another benefit of the dash stand mixer is its consistency. When you mix by hand, it's easy to miss spots or not mix thoroughly enough, resulting in uneven baked goods or sauces. With the dash stand mixer, you can be sure that everything is mixed evenly, resulting in consistently delicious results every time. So, how do you use the dash stand mixer effectively? First, make sure to read the instructions carefully and familiarize yourself with the different attachments. Then, choose the right attachment for the job. For example, use the dough hook for bread dough and the whisk for whipping cream. Next, make sure to start the mixer on low speed and gradually increase the speed as needed. Finally, make sure to scrape down the sides of the mixing bowl occasionally to ensure that everything is mixed evenly. In conclusion, the dash stand mixer is a powerful tool that can take your cooking and baking to the next level. Its features, benefits, and ease of use make it a must-have for any serious home cook or baker. We hope this comprehensive guide has been helpful in showing you everything you need to know about using the dash stand mixer effectively in your kitchen. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching our comprehensive guide to the dash stand mixer. We hope you've learned everything you need to.